You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this nucleic acid, one of the 4 nucleic acids that form DNA. If you want to learn more names from science and of the other 3 acids in DNA, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all here. So that's the G in the letters of the DNA. Guanine, guanine. The stress is on that second nine syllable. Easy once you know. Guanine. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.